Properties of determinants is a concept which has been removed from our syllabus, okay, from past 2 years. So let's not worry about the properties of that. So one of the application of determinant is, let us assume, let me take an example directly. Let us assume there is a triangle in a coordinate plane, in a XY plane, okay. There is a XY plane, let us assume. Okay. Now I'm going to have a triangle here. So, and I'm going to write the coordinates of these triangles. Say x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So we are going to find the area of the triangle whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 with the concept determinant. So area of this triangle is given by, it's a very versatile application of determinant and very popular application of determinant. So we are going to take the determinant as x1, y1, and we have to have a third dimension which is going to be taken as 1. Okay, and this is how we find the determinant. So how to, and into half. Half is very important. Area of a triangle will have half. So if you solve this determinant, that will give you the area. So that is substituting this half into, we'll take x1 into y2 minus y3 minus x2 into, what do we get now? If we take x2 here, we'll have y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, to make it simple, we directly make this plus generally, and we will change this to y3 minus y1 so that it is in the cyclic order 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. But anyway, that confusion should not be there for us. Why? Because we know how to solve determinant, and in solving determinant we know the signs are changing and we don't have to worry about cyclicity in this case. So let us keep this as it is. Okay, so finding the area of a triangle whose coordinates are given is nothing but finding the determinant of this, and first write them in the form of matrix, and with the third dimension we're going to keep the value as 1 1 1, and we'll multiply that with half. So that is how we find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given. This is the application of determinant in the coordinate geometry. And remember, in the upcoming classes, when we talk about three-dimensional geometry, we'll come back to determinant applications. So just remember that part, and that will be easy if you remember determinant concept. So it will be easy for us to understand the concepts in three-dimensional geometry as well. Right? Yes. So now we are left with 10 minutes. So if there is any question from anyone, I can discuss that, or else I'll be taking some more questions. So how many of you have started practicing questions from our portal practice section part? Anybody has taken any mock test? Have you shared with your teachers or friends for the evaluation? You can tell me yes or no. So how many of you are seeing that useful to you? Or is there any improvements you can expect in your score? You can take more mock tests, or before, if you're getting lesser score, you do more practice first and then get back to the mock test, or wait for some more concepts to be finished and then take the mock test. It will definitely give you an improvement in the score. Okay. Yes. As I don't see any queries yet, let me go to 2 more questions. We'll finish this off. Okay. Find the area of a triangle XYZ whose vertices of a triangle are given as 2, 3, 6, 2, and 7, 1. So let's see. What is it? I have this triangle and I know the vertices. I'll directly go for 1/2 times 5 into 2 ones are 2 minus 1 minus, I'm going row wise, Okay, what is the best way instead of doing all this? Which column is easy for us? Why we have to do in a traditional way? Not required, right? We just have to get the right answer, and we have that liberty to take any column or any row. Make use of that. See, we will not get all the time this kind of shortcuts, right? So we'll use the shortcuts whenever it's possible. I'll take the last column only. So 1 into what happens? 6 minus 18 minus 1 into, forget this column and this row, third column and second row, we end up with 5 minus 27 plus 1 into, forget the third column and third row, which is 10 minus 18. Let's see what's the answer we get. Half of 6 minus 18 is minus 12. Then it will be plus, what is 27 minus 5? 22, right? So we end up with minus 8. So am I right? It's going to be minus 20, right? Plus 22 into half. We end up with 2 by 2. What is 2 by 2? 1. See, same answer we have got 1.